Discover 5 remarkable apps for earning money using your smartphone. Your search for lucrative smartphone apps ends here. Uncover the top 5 apps that empower you to generate income conveniently from your home, no matter where you are in the world. Survey Junkie, your opinion, your paycheck. Have you contemplated boosting your income through your phone? Look no further than Survey Junkie, a paid survey app offering financial rewards for sharing your viewpoints. Delve into Survey Junkie's world by creating an account and establishing a profile to match you with relevant surveys. Your participation in surveys spanning diverse topics, including consumer goods and advertising, allows you to accrue points for each completed task. These points can subsequently be exchanged for cash or gift cards. Survey Junkie's global accessibility and user-friendly interface make it a seamless platform to earn money on your terms. Whether you're striving to supplement your income or capitalize on free moments, Survey Junkie is a remarkable option to explore. Swagbucks, rewards unleashed. Are you on the hunt for a delightful and effortless method to bolster your earnings via your phone? Meet Swagbucks, an incentivized program app that presents you with Swagbucks for accomplishing diverse tasks and activities. Following a swift app download and account creation, your journey to accumulating Swagbucks begins. Tasks encompass completing surveys, watching videos, online shopping, gaming, and more. The varying point values for each activity enable you to customize your approach based on interests and availability. Swagbucks' diversity in task options, coupled with its user-friendly design, creates an engaging platform to secure extra earnings from the comfort of your abode. Explore Swagbucks and initiate your online earning venture. FOP, transforming photos into cash. Unleash your photography prowess as a source of income with FOP, a splendid app tailored for individuals passionate about capturing moments and monetizing their skills. Kickstart your journey by downloading FOP and setting up an account. Elevate your photos to the FOP marketplace, a space embracing a myriad of subjects, from landscapes to cuisine, people, and animals. These images transform into purchasable assets for global individuals and businesses, serving marketing campaigns and online platforms. FOP shines not only as a bridge between photographers and buyers but also as a community-driven platform. Engage with peers, learn from veterans, and partake in competitions that highlight your talents while offering lucrative cash rewards. For amateur and professional photographers alike, FOP stands as a canvas to amplify creativity and earnings, effectively merging passion with profit. Ibotta, shopping, savings, and cashback. If shopping is your realm and you seek extra earnings, Ibotta steps in as your cashback ally, ensuring rewards for your everyday purchases. Kick off your Ibotta journey by downloading the app and crafting your profile. Dive into a world of offers encompassing groceries, fashion, travel, and more. Each offer comes with its own allure, from product cashbacks to store discounts. Personalize your selections to align with your preferences and aspirations. Post-shopping, capture your receipts for validation and seamlessly earn corresponding cashback. Beyond its myriad offers, Ibotta extends opportunities through referrals and challenges, further augmenting your earnings. Ibotta's forte lies in effortlessly integrating rewards into your daily shopping routine. Harness its capabilities and witness your shopping endeavors reap additional financial benefits. TaskRabbit, odd jobs, extra income. TaskRabbit emerges as an exceptional app bridging the gap between those seeking odd jobs and individuals keen to undertake extra tasks for compensation. Experience TaskRabbit's uniqueness by accessing a multitude of odd job opportunities. Whether it's home assistance, deliveries, or errands, the app's network caters to various demands. For job seekers, TaskRabbit unveils a treasure trove of earning potential. Join this platform to tap into a thriving ecosystem of task seekers and providers. TaskRabbit not only catalyzes earnings but also fosters a sense of contribution and shared endeavors. Witness the fusion of technology and income generation as these 5 apps redefine the possibilities of making money via your smartphone. Seize this opportunity to explore diverse avenues, all within your control and at your convenience. Start your journey to a more prosperous future today. Whether your expertise lies in home improvement, tidying up, pet care, or any other task, TaskRabbit stands as the ideal avenue to secure gigs and generate income through your smartphone. Nevertheless, innovation alone doesn't guarantee triumph. The app boasts an intuitive interface, allowing seamless navigation through a vast array of task opportunities within your vicinity. Peruse through the available tasks, cherry-picking those that resonate with your skills and passions. Further, the platform facilitates direct communication between you and the task requester, streamlining the coordination of task specifics. TaskRabbit differentiates itself from rival gig platforms by placing a premium on trust and safety. Rigorous vetting procedures for both task requesters and taskers ensure that you collaborate with individuals of integrity and reliability. This foundational element contributes to your peace of mind and underscores the platform's commitment to your security. Incorporating flexibility as a cornerstone, TaskRabbit empowers you to tailor your gig selection and working hours according to your preferences. You are the master of your own domain, empowered to establish rates and availability that align with your needs, offering financial gains on your own terms. Whether you're scouting for supplementary income during leisure moments or pursuing more consistent work streams, TaskRabbit emerges as the quintessential app to deliberate. Elevate your prospects by embracing this app, accessible through a simple download. Initiate your journey today, and unearth a world of odd job opportunities that align with your aptitudes and passions.